What's up? This is Johnny Snow in the building, and this is about to be another iteration of this blackout versus whiteout Canik saga that I got going on here. Y'all can look at here, see that both of these is empty. We empty, and we empty. So, all right, we got these sights that I told you. I got them put on here, so the Caniks got sights on them. They got sights on them, and I just got something for the snow model. Got something for the snow model. Let's show you this right quick. You guys see that? Let's say 4.5 Blast. All right. So let's go ahead and open this up. See, right here we got a package. Got a package. Open this up. They got all this paper, and here we go right here. Here we go right here. This is the 4.5 Blast muzzle compensator for the whiteout Canik. So, all right, here we go. Getting it on there. Show y'all how to put this thing on right quick. It's real simple. You know, you got your piece right there. You know, you got RoboCopped out. And let me get all these other little pieces out of the box. We got screws right here. And we have another rail right here. So, all right, let me put this on in here. This rail that goes on the bottom. Got our little handy tool here. Got your screws, and you got your piece that goes right there. So you screw it on down, screw it on down. That's the first screw. Boom, down, screw it on down. All right, that's the second screw. All right, now we got two more screws we gotta put in. All right, these two screws right here. So we go ahead and put these in. Go ahead, start it, get it. Here's the other one. Go ahead, put it in, start it. Get your thing, get your Allen wrench. Go ahead and get it going. All right, so that's all it is to it. It has been installed. So 4.5 Blast on the whiteout, 4.5 Blast on the whiteout. Let's hold them side by side, show you what the change is. So we have this change. All right, so let me know which one you think look better. Do you like the 4.5 Blast on the whiteout? Should I put the 4.5 Blast on the blackout? Or should I go a different direction? You know, because I kind of like this. I think it looks pretty good. You know, let me see. That's what the action look like. That's what the barrel, how the barrel sits in it. You know, it's a rail compensator, so it sits down on the rail instead of screwing into the barrel. You know, which in turn helps people out in California because they cannot have threaded barrels out in California. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it looks. You know, so there you go. 4.5 Blast on the Canik. 4.5 Blast on the Canik. Hit me in the comments. Let me know if I should put one on the blackout or should I go a different direction. You know, this is straight RoboCopped out. I like this. I like this. So let me know. Let me know. How do you feel it should go? How do you feel we should do it? How do you feel? How do you feel? You know, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Let me know. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, we'll see how this journey goes with these two guns. You know, let me know at the end of the journey which one ended up better, which one is the one that you like, which one wins. Do you like the whiteout? Do you like the blackout? Let me know. Hit that subscribe, the notifications. Johnny Snow about it.